How to make money on GoTranscript step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you another way to make money, and it's a very easy way to make money. All you need to do is just write captions and transcriptions. So, this tutorial is on GoTranscript, how to make money as a beginner on GoTranscript. So, let's actually get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to GoTranscript.com and you will land on this website right here. It's a platform that gives different companies and different users. It provides these services of transcription, captions, translation, and foreign subtitles. So, of course, this is 100% human generated services. And you can be that human who generates these services. All you need to do is you will just write transcriptions, captions, translation, or foreign subtitles and make money. So it's a very easy platform to make money. We work as a freelancer on this platform, and all you need to do is just write this and make money. For instance, you can see right on the website we have transcription, and you will be making $0.84 per minute. And then we have captions. In captions, you can make $1.22 per minute. And then we have a translation, $0.07 per minute, and foreign is $9.35 per minute. So this is what transcription GoTranscript charges to the companies and to the clients for these services. And of course, we will be getting our money from here, and of course GoTranscript will take its cut, and then we will make. So you can actually make like 0.50 per minute and like $1 with the captions. How to get started? Once you get to GoTranscript, you can actually sign up or log in. And what you guys need to do is you can scroll down all the way down to the services right here, and it will take you to the transcriptional services and others. So first way to make money with GoTranscript is by writing transcriptions. How this works is we have audio and video transcription services. So from only $0.84 per minute to it starts from there. And what you can do is you can order online. So this is for the clients, but as a freelancer, you will be actually going with your account and you can ask GoTranscript, and you can actually work as a affiliate in between GoTranscript, and you can work as a freelancer on GoTranscript to provide this transcript. We have upload file or audio files. So people upload file, pay online, and then they get your transcript. Main features for this one is 99% accuracy, because a human will be doing that. We will be doing this. And you can see professional online services for your industry, academic. Then we have media and marketing. These are the different niches you can go for. We have legal, medical, and many more. If you think you can do it, if you can write transcriptions, then you can definitely go to GoTranscript. So I have actually logged in, and you can see it shows you the orders. Once you sign up for GoTranscript, it will show you something like this. Here people will place order, and GoTranscript will give you the orders. Let's say I go with the transcriptions, and then I will get my orders right here. You can see it says my orders, and it will show you the orders that you got, and you will be making money. So it's very simple platform, no complications right here, and you will make money. Mainly there are 4 ways: transcription, and then there is caption. Now caption is one of the highly paid jobs right here. All you need to do is for the you will hear a video, and you have to add a caption or a subtitle to that video, and you will get paid. Similarly, we have foreign subtitles. So if you are bilingual, or if you speak multiple languages, then this is for you. Or if you can actually give subtitles in any other language. You are Italian, of course you can write captions in Italian. Then you can write captions in Spanish if you are from Spain. If you know Chinese, you can write the captions in Chinese. So that's actually really easy for you if you know English and another language. Similarly, we have translation. Now this is also translation works really good for people even if you know one language. Let's say you are Chinese and you know Chinese, you can actually translate English into Chinese, or you can translate Chinese into English for different people and make money. So this is where you will get your orders, and if you want to place an order, then you can go with this option. But we're talking about how to make money with this. You go to the services option, and you can simply sign up, and it'll show you your balance as well. We have account settings, notification, and we have another way to make money with GoTranscript, and which is affiliate. Now this is one of the most highly earning way to make money with GoTranscript. As an affiliate, what you do is you actually add different clients, you get clients for GoTranscript, and you will be earning up to 10% of commission. So this will show you your total amount and you will withdraw your money. So you can register as many clients as you can right here on GoTranscript. GoTranscript will write it different things for you. If you do not want to write, or if you don't know how to work as a freelancer, you can definitely become an affiliate and make money. Here you don't have to do a lot, you don't have to do anything. All you are doing is you're getting the clients to GoTranscript and you're earning your 10% commission, and you can withdraw from here. Similarly, we have stats from workers. So if you feel like even if you are getting workers for GoTranscript, you can actually make commissions out of them. So every time they will get money, you will be making 1% off of that. So this is actually pretty good. And here we have our affiliate links ready. Once you actually create an account on GoTranscript, you will get your affiliate link for the clients and your affiliate link for the transcribers. That's what they're known as, transcribers. So you can either become an affiliate or transcriber, and then as an affiliate, you have a link for the clients. You will get the clients and get 10%. And if you share the link with a transcriber, you will be making 1%. You can also create your own custom link for different clients, and you will receive a 10% discount for all of the orders. So this is for the clients. And then we also have shared the link on different social media. We have different stats here. We have URLs, and then we have a banner code as well to run on a website. So using GoTranscript is really easy, and you will be able to make money in different ways. You can become a transcriber or an affiliate to make money with GoTranscript. With GoTranscript, why you should choose this, because it is actually trending nowadays. This platform is gaining a hype because people are always looking for a way to make money online. This is actually a really good way. All you need to do is just write transcriptions, captions, translation, or subtitles to make money. Similarly, if you get your first order, then it will be shown right here and you will gain your balance. You can go to the account setting and enter your payment method. Easy payment methods are available to add, and in new orders, you can go to each file has its own transcriptions. So each service has its own dashboard. We have transcription, we have captions, translation. So they upload a file right here and paste a URL, and GoTranscript will actually give you the order if you are doing well and if you sign up, and you will make money eventually. So this is a pretty good way to make money with GoTranscript. Go ahead and check it out right now if you're looking for an easy way to make money online from home. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.